Open the blue box. That's from Poppy.
That's from Grandpa Poppy.
Open it. Open it.
It's too hard.
No, it's not. You can do it. You can do it.
I can't.
Mommy can help
push,
you.
Push the corner. Push right here. Right here. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There.
What is it, Michaela?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, a toy! A helmet! That's my helmet!
I know. What do you need a helmet for?
For my bicycle!
You gonna get a bicycle?
But where's my mittens?
Your mittens? You get mittens with a helmet?
For bicycle riding.
Wow. Look
How do you
at
know
look
all
what
that?
kind of helmet is it, Michaela? Look.
What kind of helmet is it?
What kind is it?
What?
Look! Oh!
Oh, you need a bike now.
Oh.
Wow. Do you like it?
It's a helmet.
Do you like it, Michaela?
Mommy, are you open it?
I will open it.
But I have mittens.
You-
See, I have mittens.
Oh, I don't think it. Well, let's see. I don't know if they need to store it. Maybe. Okay. A lot of packaging here. Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
That's
we'll
gonna
fix
go
it.
perfect
We'll
with
fix
a with a
it.
bike.
That is perfect. Wow,
I
you're gonna be
will
so
wear
safe.
it.
Okay, we will. Now you want to open the other present? See, what about this one? Try this one. This one's from